Welcome. Today I will show you how you can quit apps and games on the device, which is the Quest 3. Now obviously this device has a very poor battery life, so you might be actually interested in doing that every single time. So just to kind of demonstrate this, we do have a couple apps running, which you can see right here. They have this dot literally like right under it. That means that these apps are right now active and running in the background. And what you can do is just kind of pop on them, click the X, and that will close them up. And same goes for instance, other apps. Now, when it comes down to other applications, like right here, I'm demonstrating virtual desktop. I'll press your little button right here, and then select quit. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.